Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.